Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we're reviewing the EUHOMY Beverage Refrigerator and Cooler, a compact and stylish mini fridge with a 128 can capacity. It's designed to keep soda, beer, wine, or any of your favorite drinks perfectly chilled. The glass door gives it a modern look while letting you see your beverages at a glance, and the silver finish blends seamlessly into any home, bar, or office setup. Inside, the adjustable shelves let you customize the layout to fit cans or bottles of different sizes, giving you maximum flexibility. This fridge is quiet, efficient, and compact enough to fit in smaller spaces while still providing plenty of storage for your drinks. The cooling system ensures consistent temperatures, so your beverages are always ready to enjoy. If you're looking for a dependable, sleek, and practical beverage cooler for everyday use, the EUHOMY 128 can mini fridge is a fantastic choice. Click the link below for the best price.
Never you,